Sometimes you generate AI photos in WhatsApp and send them to others through WhatsApp only. If you want to animate those AI-generated photos, you can do that too. In this video, we'll show you how to animate AI-generated photos in WhatsApp and send them to others. For this, open the WhatsApp application. After that, select any contact. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After that, click on this pin like button. When you click on that, here you can see AI images. Click on AI images. When you click on that, you'll be asked to describe an image. For example, I'm typing something like this. After that, click on the send button. When you click on that, AI will generate photos for you. Meta AI is generating photos for us. Now the photo has been generated, and from these, select the photo you like. For example, I like this photo, so I'm selecting this photo. To animate this photo, click on Make Changes, and here you can see the Animate option. Click on Animate. When you click on that, that photo will be animated. Now here you can see that photo is animated. If you want to send this photo, click on this Send button. When you click on that, that animated photo will be sent. So this way, you can easily animate any AI-generated photo and send it to others through WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.